A broad market pullback is underway today, and the reasons behind it matter for every asset class. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Here is your India market briefing for August 17th. We cover the Nifty 50, Sensex, Bank Nifty, and the stocks dominating headlines today. Let us start with a snapshot of the Indian equity markets today. Starting with the Nifty 50, India's benchmark large-cap index. Nifty 50 is little changed, hovering near 24,366 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by S&P 500 notches record high close as rate hike worries ease. With Nifty 50 moving sideways today, the market is effectively waiting for a fresh catalyst. The $24,975 level above and $23,757 below are the levels to monitor for the next directional signal. The Sensex, tracking India's 30 largest blue-chip companies. Sensex is broadly flat at 78,009 Indian rupees, awaiting a fresh catalyst. Investor sentiment is being shaped by S&P 500 notches record high close as rate hike worries ease. The Bank Nifty, India's banking sector barometer, is closely watched by traders as a leading indicator for the broader market. Bank Nifty is trading lower by -0.25%, at 57,491 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that RBI closes forex deposit window for NRIS early after $52.3 billion rush, the Indian Express. Bank Nifty is in a consolidation phase, a pattern that can precede a significant directional break. Watch the $58,641 resistance and $56,341 support as the boundaries of the current range. Now let us look at the stocks making headlines in India today. Bharti Airtel is up plus 2.73%, trading at 1,992.10 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that Bharti Airtel's Q1 FY27 results beat estimates, driven by strong ARPU and subscriber growth (REDIF). With momentum this strong, traders will be watching the 2,111.63 Indian rupees level closely. A clean break there would confirm the uptrend and could bring in additional momentum buyers. Risk management remains critical, always size positions according to your own risk tolerance. SBI dipped -1.41% to 1,067.70 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that RBI closes forex deposit window for NRIS early after $52.3 billion rush, the Indian Express. The Yono digital banking platform is building a retail liability moat. Corporate loan book quality, the historical weak spot, is now at decade-best levels. The dividend policy has become more generous. Watch for any RBI guidance on priority sector lending norms that could affect cost ratios. Now let us look at the macro backdrop for Indian markets. The rupee is weakening against the dollar, trading at 95.42. A softer rupee compresses margins for import-heavy sectors like oil, consumer goods, and airlines, while IT exporters like TCS and Infosys benefit. Investor sentiment is being shaped by strong RE earnings lift S&P 500, NASDAQ as inflation data calms rate hike jitters, Kitco. Foreign institutional investor flows are the near-term swing factor. Any risk-off in global markets tends to amplify selling pressure on Indian indices given the high FII ownership in Nifty 50 constituents. The biggest mover in India today is Bharti Airtel. Bharti Airtel is up plus 2.73%, trading at 1,992.10 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that Bharti Airtel's Q1 FY27 results beat estimates, driven by strong ARPU and subscriber growth (REDIF). From a momentum perspective, the next key resistance for Bharti Airtel sits around 2,111.63 Indian rupees. A sustained break above that level could attract further institutional buying. The main risk to the upside scenario is a shift in macro conditions or central bank tone. This is our analytical view, always do your own research. Before we wrap up, here is your watch list for the sessions ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Thousands of investors rely on our daily briefings to cut through the noise. If you are finding value here, please like this video and subscribe. It directly helps us keep producing this content every day. Leave a comment with your market view. We feature the sharpest takes in future videos. That wraps up today's coverage from MTRS_Market Pulse. This content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research. Stay disciplined, and we will see you tomorrow. That is your India market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily coverage of Indian and global markets.